Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret place in Dress and Press new Wicked update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to join free play mode. You can teleport to this free play mode and then you're going to go to the lobby. Okay, just follow where I go. You can go to this area right here guys. Okay, and you will find teleport button. Just tap on that and then you will see this world, this wicked world, and here there will be a secret tree that you can climb. Just climb this tree and you can take a picture here. And I'm going to go to this area. Okay, and yeah, that's so beautiful. You can take a picture here guys. Okay, this palace and a lot of trees, and yeah, that's so beautiful. And you can explore the map here, and if you want to go back, just go to the teleport menu and you will be back to the lobby. Thank you guys, and that's all the way to find the secret place in Trust and Proud's new Wicked update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.